The Lift Products Moto-Cart Jr ELT is an economic solution for electric cart applications requiring variable height placement of loads. It offers a transaxle drive and advanced roller grip controls. The four-wheel Moto-Cart Jr ELT has maintenance-free batteries that are rechargeable with an automatic charger that runs on standard 115 voltage. The Moto-Cart Jr ELT features a fully electric lift table that raises the platform to a convenient work height. Power positioning of the platform height is recommended for applications where the full or partial vertical stroke is commonly required. The platform is raised and lowered both securely and with stability due to the base and top platform rollers being entrapped in a steel J channel. An upper travel limit switch reduces the wear on the cylinder by eliminating overpressurization. Maintenance bars are built into the design of the unit such that preventative maintenance, as well as general maintenance, can be performed safely. The advanced roller grip controls of the Moto-Cart Jr ELT feature an up and down button, key switch, maximum throttle controls, battery indicator gauge, and belly bump switch to prevent personnel from becoming pinned against an obstruction. Operation of the drive system is very quiet and can be used in a wide variety of environments, including office space. The pneumatic drive tires are gentle on carpet, tile, and wood floors, while the rear polycasters are non-marking. A backup beeper provides additional safety to nearby coworkers when the unit is traveling in reverse. Optional foam-filled tires are available for applications in which metal shavings on the production floor are a common occurrence. Additional options for the Moto-Cart Jr ELT include safety skirting to remove access to pinch points, sidewalls on the upper platform, and OEM programming of the drive system for application-specific drive requirements. As with all Lift Products equipment, custom options are available. The Moto-Cart Jr ELT is available under Lift Products Quick Shipment program and can ship in as little as 24 business hours.